What's up, everyone? Today, we're revealing the wildest items people try to sneak past airport security. We've got the top 10 most confiscated TSA items. Some will blow your mind. We'll show you exactly why these things get flagged using our own mock security checkpoint. Let's dive in. Number 3 is the one almost everyone gets wrong. Number 1, oversized liquids. Even a tiny jar of expensive face cream over 3.4 ounces? Gone. TSA doesn't care about the price. If it's over the limit, it's confiscated. That's how you lose $80 in 5 seconds. Always check your liquids before you pack. Number 2, self-defense items like pepper spray, pocket knives, and tactical pens. Even a tiny keychain knife or disguised pen will get your bag searched and the item confiscated. Permits don't matter. These are federal no-goes in your carry-on. Leave the ninja gear at home or check it if allowed. Number 3, foods the TSA considers liquids like peanut butter, yogurt, and dips. If you can spread, smear, or spill it, it's a liquid and must follow the 3.4-ounce rule. Full-size jars, not allowed in your carry-on. Don't lose your lunch. Pack it in your checked bag. Number 4, lighters. Standard disposables are usually fine, but torch lighters and anything resembling a weapon, like a grenade-shaped lighter, are banned. These can get you in serious trouble. Stick to simple lighters, and never pack novelty or torch styles. Number 5, snow globes and liquid-filled souvenirs. Most contain more than 3.4 ounces of liquid, so they're not allowed in your carry-on. Even sealed, they'll be confiscated. Put them in your checked bag or risk losing your keepsake. Number 6, power banks and spare lithium-ion batteries. Never put these in checked luggage. They're a fire risk. Security will pull your bag and remove them, possibly delaying your luggage. Always keep batteries and power banks in your carry-on. Number 7, wrapped gifts. TSA will rip open anything they can't identify on the scanner. Use gift bags or wrap presents at your destination to avoid disappointment. Save your wrapping for after security. Number 8, fake weapons or toy guns. Even toys can look real on X-rays, triggering shutdowns and law enforcement. You could be detained or arrested over a toy. Never pack anything that resembles a weapon in your carry-on. Number 9, tools longer than 7 inches. Large wrenches, screwdrivers, or pliers must go in checked bags. Forgetting a tool in your backpack means surrendering it at security. Double-check your bags for tools before you fly. Number 10, mystery electronics or DIY gadgets with wires and unlabeled parts. These trigger full searches and can cause major delays. Organize and label your electronics and be ready to explain them. Don't let your science project make you miss your flight. That's the top 10 TSA confiscated items. Now you know what to avoid. A quick bag check can save you money, time, and stress. When in doubt, check TSA rules or use your checked bag. Avoid awkward moments. Subscribe for more travel tips. What's the weirdest thing you've seen packed on a flight? Tell us in the comments.